Joe from Bad News Racing, and I'm here with our Build Series Sonic. And today we will be installing a PCV Fix Kit from Cruzekits.com. Alright, so this kit comes with some new hose and some clamps and whatnot, so we can reroute our PCV. So let's go ahead and see what we got to do over here. So we're going to have to remove our air intake tube and then a few of these hoses right here. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and move this bad boy up out of the way over here. Come on. Come on, mama. There we go. We're gonna need to remove this hose right here. This whole guy leading around here. There's two little clips. So let's go ahead and do that and disconnect it from this little tube right here. Let's go ahead and cut that and get it out of these clips. Let me do that. Don't want to lose that. All right, now that we got that off, we're gonna need to remove the evap purge. So let's pull this guy out. Oh, take that off. Look at this shit. Look at this. Garbage. All right, so now off screen, I removed the little check valve that's down in there. And I got my little plug that we're going to shove up in there. So I'm gonna put some JB weld on it, and we're gonna go in and put it in. Nice. All right, so just make sure it's on there nice and tight. Good to go. All right, so I put all my hoses together and whatnot, so let's go ahead and rerun everything. So I started off by hooking this up down here. I'm gonna put this thinner tube back on to that little clip right there. And then let's go ahead and push that guy right back onto there. And then let's run this back over. Put our evap purge back on. Let's go ahead and clip everything back in. That little guy. There, that's on. I can go around. All right, PCV Fix has been installed. I'm gonna go ahead and let the JB weld cure overnight in here before I close it up. All right, so it's the next day. This is dried up enough, so let's go ahead and pop this guy on. Clip back on. Nice. PCV done. All right, we had an issue with a coolant leak, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dig around down here, make sure all these hoses are on tight. Let's go ahead and add some coolant. There we go. Now that we got that all out of the way, it's time to slap these bad boys on. So the wheels on the Sonic, you know, again, we got this car for $2,500 off of Marketplace. And the wheels are pretty shitty, pretty bald, so it's really not safe. Look at this. Really not safe for us to go out there and do some passes in this. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these little 195s. We're gonna put these beautiful 225s on these beautiful purple Sparkos. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the two fronts, slap these bad boys on, and we're gonna bust the backs off. And we're gonna take two of the tires off of the two front tires off of the Cruz, which are brand new. We're gonna slap them on the back of the Sonic, and then slap the other two brand new tires with Sparkos on the front of the Cruz. So let's go ahead and do all that. So the last battery was an absolute POS and couldn't hold charge. So we got a new one. Let's go ahead and just get some of these leaves out of here. And drop this beautiful bad boy in. All right, so it's all said and done. We fixed the PCV. We fixed our coolant leak. We got everything put back together. Now the next episode, we're gonna get some numbers on stock. We're gonna slap the OTS tune, give you numbers on that. Then we're gonna slap the Pro tune and give you numbers on that. The only thing that is not stock on this car, other than the wheels, is the MSD coil, which doesn't really add any power or anything, but we had to change that since the stock coil had taken a dump. So whatever the case, get ready for some pools, some racing. We're gonna throw this on the dyno and give you some definitive numbers on our stock, OTS, and tune. Get ready for next episode. Peace.